Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for February 23rd, 2026, Part 2. Today's theme is dogs. If You Give a Dog a Donut, written by Laura Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Bond. If you give a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it. When you give him the juice, he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for more. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. He'll go outside to pick apples. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of baseball. He'll want to play. You'll have to get a ball and a glove. Of course, he'll also need a bat. He'll ask you to pitch. He'll hit a home run. Then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. Dancing will make him hot and dusty, so he'll need some water. He'll probably start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bandana. He'll wrap it around his head and pretend that he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. You'll have to get him some sticks, paper, and string. When the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It will go higher and higher until it gets tangled in the apple tree. The tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks for some apple juice, he'll want a donut to go with it. The end. We're going to make a sequin donut where the sequins are the sprinkles. And your craft to go kit includes a donut template and a bunch of sequins. Probably more than you'll need, but I say go big or go home. And then what you'll need is some glue for the sequins and some paint, any color you want. I'm using pink. And what you're going to do is you're going to paint the donut. I don't know if you can see, if you look really close, you can see there's icing drawn on here. I'm going to try to stay within the lines, but I doubt that I'll be able to. Don't worry about it. But the first thing you're going to do is paint the donut, and then you're going to go ahead and glue the sequins on. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this donut pink. See, I'm already messing up. I think I'm just going to paint the whole donut, just because it's easier that way. So I'm going to paint this whole donut, and then I'll come back and we'll glue some sprinkles on. Okay, I've covered the donut in paint. Now I'm just going to put a few dots of glue here and there and stick sequins on it. It doesn't have to be like in a pattern or anything. You can do it however you want. You could even just put glue all over it and sprinkle the sequins on it to make sprinkles. But I think it's a little neater if I put the glue dots on, or not glue dots, dots of glue. Okay, so I have all the glue on. I'm going to open up my sequins. I'm just going to spill them out here. Like I said, you have way more sequins than you'll need, but you can always use them for other projects. So I'm just going to continue to put these on, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. And this is what my donut looks like. The glue still needs to dry, but that's basically it. My sequin sprinkled donut.